Hello everyone, today we are doing a tool review on Dewalt DCD795. Let's do some demonstration. Today, guys. Okay, right, let me do some demonstration. Okay, let's do some demonstrations. Okay, there's some screws here they were previously put there. Let's check this out. Right. Okay, let's see how it works. Can it work? Is it good? You decide, guys. This is quite a big size screw, to be honest. I mean, it's a proper big size screw. Let's see how it works actually. How it goes, how strong this drill is, mate. No other problem at all, to be honest. To be honest, you need a strong hand, not this drill is strong enough. As long as you've got a strong hand to hold this drill gonna do a lot of hard work, to be honest, for you. This Dewalt drill is strong. It's very strong drill. I've got no issue with this drill whatsoever. I mean, this is this is a 5 amp Dewalt battery. Okay, let's do another demonstrations. Let's see if it's going to go through 2 of them. I had some holes already here, so it should be fine. It's getting hot. Let's go through this now. There you go, 2. To be honest, it's not a drill that make that noise. It's me not strong enough to hold this in place. There you go, second one. Second drill. Look at that. As I said, you have to be strong enough to hold the drill in place. This is, I tell you what, I have got Makita, the strong Makita drill, but this is, for the size of this, is a bit smaller than Makita, but I tell you what, the power in this drill is too much. Let's get this out again. Let's do this one now. This make a hole in this wood. Right. This one should be the hardest part for all this drill work. Let's see how it goes. There you go. What the hell? What's happening? Oh, I do apologize. I need Allen key for this, Ali. Have you got Allen key for this? Let me check. Have you got? Can you bring that box? Can you bring that box, please? Let's say, for the sake of demonstration, let's try this now. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Have you got any Allen key for there? No Allen key. There's Allen key there. Let me get that. Sorry, guys. Let's do it a bit quick. I mean, not a problem whatsoever with that. Let's do this one. Let's try that a little bit. Only it is this time. There you go. Now, if it goes through here, I tell you what, this is going to be the best drill ever. It's crazy, this drill power. The power on this drill is crazy. Nearly there. I think it's not a drill, it's oil like this. Let's see. Not getting loose now. I want to get through this so the people looking at this don't say that this drill is not powerful enough. They don't say that this power. I think this drill is very powerful. Tell you what, this drill is powerful as anything, as any drill, as any other drill. I mean, I don't think it's a drill problem. I think it's just me. I'm gonna maybe try from this side. It's almost there. There you go. There you go. You do the calculation, man. This is, I mean, this is not a, this is quite a strong wood, to be honest. This drill is, I give this 10 out of 10. This drill is 10 out of 10, definitely. I think I would recommend that if you're using it, if you're buying a drill, if you're buying a fast drill and you don't have a like different battery, if you don't have any battery at all, if you don't have any other tools like Makita battery, if you're just buying it for the sake of this one, then I think I would say go for this one. This is the best one. This is the best one. It's worth every penny of it. Every penny. Let me try again. I mean, let's try again. Let's try a bit smaller screws. Look at that. Look at that, man. No problem at all. That's it, guys, for this one, and I see you on the next one. So this one is DCD795 Dewalt with a 5 amp battery. If you ask me whether I recommend this or not, I say yes, 10 out of 10 for this drill. Thank you very much, guys.